So welcome back, everybody, to yet another exciting episode of Yes Chef. I'm your host, as always, Big Chef Dro. We have the lasagna meal ready to go for you. This is how lasagna should taste. Internet sensation, Tim Shropshire. Tim Shropshire, ladies and gentlemen.
It's good to be the middle. What's up, baby? How you
What's going on, man?
Bro, I'm hungry.
You
I ain't gonna lie to you. Look, hey. You see that crust? You got chicken wings on it. Two types, two flavors. Come on, somebody. I'm with Big Chef Dro.
Slid right on in there.
Any chef can jump in my DMs.
So today, we're gonna get into the jambalaya. We're gonna use shrimp, andouille sausage, and chicken.
All right, family, so we are going to pour off this whole bottle. This is the Italian-American way of doing Alfredo.
This is simply how do we put chicken wings on a pizza as the crust.